Hey you guys, this is just an update of the last video. You guys saw that I was in the process of filling up these holes with Bondo. Got a tiny little bit of lines right there. I can barely feel them, so I'm not worried about them. This right here is pretty nice. A little bumpy. Do need to do some light sanding right there, but nothing crazy. This is what it's turned out to be. I'm going to be redoing the whole head. And I just got a nice good sand, as you guys can see. I think I used 1200 grit or 2200, and just got a nice good smooth wet sand evenly all the way around. Looks like I may have missed just a few spots, but it's ready for a coat and some 2K. I'm going to be using pretty much a whole can and a half, probably about 2 cans on the whole thing, getting a nice good thick layer. Maybe about 1 can, it's probably all it'll need, but we'll see how much coverage it actually comes out to. And then I'm going to use probably about 1 to 2, again, full cans of 2K, get a nice shine to it. And that's not to mention I'm going to be painting this as well, the clip for the grill. So yeah, about 2 cans and 2 cans of 2K, 2 cans of paint. I'm going to be getting this hood to be looking nice and shiny like this part right here. So that's a video to come, just to let you guys see that on this Jeep Liberty.